Dig till we can't no more. We got the plants in the back. Shovels are attached. Plants are green and the shovels are black.
Restoration ecology for young students.
The REYS program is for restoration ecology for young students.
Restoration ecology for young students.
Ecology
For
young kids.
REYS restoration ecology for young students.
And what are you doing today?
We're planting plants at the Boardman River, and as you can see, the river's right here.
What are we doing today? What are you doing right now?
We're planting at the Boardman River.
What are we putting in?
Plants, 1,000 plants.
Why are we planting them along the Boardman?
Because it's native plants and they're, it's good for the earth.
What's the biggest thing you learned through REYS?
How native plants or how non-native plants can affect the native plants.
Because the invasive plants can harm like our soil and harm just how our natural earth is.
Natural like services and stuff that we get, like medicine, natural beauty and stuff like that.
Cool, so those ecosystem services. What watershed are you part of? Do you remember?
We're part of the Mill Creek watershed and Elk Lake watershed, Great Lakes watershed, and really part of like we're part of like Michigan and stuff like that.
What was your favorite part of REYS?
The planting, what we're doing right now.
What we're doing right now? Cool. And so tell me about what we did today.
So what we did, we planted 1,000 native plants around our pond, and we planted them, we're mulching them, and we're weeding.
And what did you think of the program?
I think the program was amazing because it helped me learn a lot of environmental skills and things that help the environment and stay outdoors much longer and help people and living things.
Outdoors is like worth it. Like if you do good things to it, it'll help save like the earth.
Anything else you want to say?
I just want to say that nature is important.
Yeah. A chipmunk was eating my plant.
Water it, water it. Now we're done. Now we're done.
No, we forgot to die.
Now we're done. Now
You got anything else to say? All right, thanks, man, for all your work.
Like we want to pick a lone spot where it can be happy and be alone,
in
like, not
between
have
some plants, like
other
we
plants.
got one
infiltrating
circle of
it.
plants and then there was one in the middle, and we made it look like there was like these people and then there was like a king and around it like it is in the middle.